With a commitment of becoming the most trusted fasteners company in India, Dham Fasteners has deepened its roots in Nashik since 1987. We have 4 plants, all located in Nashik. We are known for producing the best quality fasteners with highest durability and reliability that fulfill industry standards and needs. We have a wide spectrum of products such as flange bolt, hex bolt, Allen bolt, nuts, special fasteners, washers, and many more. We are producing a variety of fasteners for industries as demanding as automotive, electrical, elevators, energy, and heavy machinery. Unquestionably, the biggest asset of Dham Fasteners has always been its people. Each and every member is an important part of the team and makes a vital impact and meaningful difference through the work they do. In the end, it's all about the team, because only skilled people deliver excellent results. At the core of any manufacturing company are the production quality, carefully planned production facility, and modern infrastructure. We work closely with our suppliers to make sure we have the ideal raw materials and constantly evolve their quality parameters. Our forging and thread rolling units from National Machinery USA deliver consistent quality for the components we manufacture. We are committed to ensure a high level of operational performance. That's why attention to quality, meticulous supervision, and in-depth material knowledge are paramount important. Our SCADA controlled heat treatment facility is CQI 9 compliant. The continuous heat treatment unit at Dham Fasteners produces the specified hardness, uniform strength, and perfect microstructure. The bar-coded PLC-based automatic planting lines are equipped with online hydrogen de-embrittlement and is CQI 11 compliant. The company puts a great deal of emphasis on the testing facility. We employ quality control processes across our production process and not just at job completion. We are in the process of acquiring NABL accreditation for our metallurgical laboratory. At final inspection, products go through eddy current testing lines and optical camera sorting machine for sorting critical fasteners. We make sure that everything we make is reliable. This attitude has made us the most preferred choice of OEMs all around the world. Dham Fasteners aims to be the topmost producers of fasteners and serve the entire industry at its best. We follow the highest industry standards to produce best quality fasteners. All materials are traceable throughout to the goods receipt, storage, manufacturing, and delivery processes. Worldwide, most automotive companies drive into the future on Dam fasteners.